You've heard about paid traffic like Facebook, Google, Instagram influencers, right? But what about free traffic, right? Wouldn't you want to have free traffic to your Shopify store and make free money? What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video, and today we're going to be talking about 5 ways you can get free traffic to your Shopify store. Okay, so this is going to be no spending at all. This is all completely free. So if you're ready for this content, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, go ahead and hit that like button. We're growing every single day, so make sure you share this video so that more people can get access to this content. Also, don't forget you can grab your free winning product down below. It's been helping a ton of people out. People have been finding winning products left and right, so you might want to grab that so you can join the wave. All right, number one way to gain free traffic is through Facebook groups. So I made a video in the past, it blew up, a lot of people have been loving it. I might leave the link in the corner right here, but you might want to check it out. But it's been helping a ton of people. So what can Facebook groups do for you? First of all, you know, they're very targeted. It's a group of community that are very close knitted and know exactly what they want. Okay, so you can go out on Facebook and type in fitness, and you can go on the group section. So once you go on the group section, you can find thousands and thousands of groups that you can join, from, you know, 1K people in the community to about 500,000 people in a community. So Facebook groups is so powerful, and the way that you can get free traffic is posting links in that group. You know, once you go into a group, you don't want to just spam your links, but you literally want to, you know, help the community out. And then you can make a suggestion for whatever the problem that they have. Like if they have problems doing ab workouts, or they're trying to get some a six-pack or anything, you can, you know, help the person out in that Facebook group and then suggest a link to your Shopify store. More people is from that person seeing your link to, you know, maybe thousands or 500,000 people are gonna see your exact link, and they're gonna want to see the inside scoop on exactly how it's helped, you know, that person get the abs that they want. So free traffic with Facebook groups is very powerful. Now the number 2 way to gain free traffic is through forums. Now the top forums that I actually like is Quora and Reddit. They're both great. They're both targeted traffic. So with these type of groups, you kind of want to engage with them, because if you know, just spam links and do all this stuff, they're actually going to ban you. So post paragraphs, write blog articles, write solutions for people, and the way that you can do it is through finding questions. So let's say somebody wants to learn how to get a six-pack. So once you find that forum or that question, then you can write maybe a 2-paragraph form of, you know, 6 ways to get a six-pack or 5 ways to get a six-pack, right? And then at the end, you could post your link to your Shopify store, or you can say top 6 ways to get a six-pack, but this is the best way with this machine, or the fastest way with this machine. Then you can link your Shopify store. Quora is very powerful, and I've gained thousands and thousands of traffic. You can actually track how much traffic that blog post actually gained in that Quora traffic. So I love using Quora. Reddit is also great. A lot of people are on Reddit. There's so many different niches that you can go into. I'm sure there's some for the fashion niche, travel niche, entrepreneur niche, you know, pet niche. There's so many different things. Even gaming, right? Gaming is a big one. Fortnite has been really hot. So imagine people that were in the Fortnite niche and made thousands and thousands of dollars just off that market. Now the 3rd way to get free traffic is through YouTube. Now with YouTube is one of my favorite traffic sources. What I do is, you know, I send out my products to YouTube influencers, and then exchange, they make a video, or they make a short ad in the beginning of their video, or at the end of their video, or even in the middle of their video. So with YouTube influencers, the cool thing is that, you know, YouTube views accumulate over time. You get views every single day, so you're gonna have trickle down traffic every single day, and that video is very well worth the investment. And another way to gain free traffic with YouTube is actually creating your own channel. So, you know, you can make videos about top 6 ways to get a six-pack, do a tutorial on that, and, you know, you can suggest your your own Shopify product, right? So you can get free traffic through that. And if you can do that every single day, if you post a video every day, or at least consistently 3 times a week, you can eventually get so many views in the future and grow your channel. Imagine having your Shopify store, then you have let's say a YouTube channel with maybe 6K subscribers. You post content every single day, and then you can trade traffic between the two. And you can have targeted traffic through YouTube, and YouTube, in my opinion, is one of the most powerful traffic sources. It's actually part of Google because it's targeted search. People that go on YouTube, they search for things, they search for a topic, or they subscribe to a niche, right? So that is why I love YouTube. If you're not utilizing YouTube influencers or YouTube traffic in general, you're losing out on a lot of money. Now, the fourth tip to gain free traffic is through Instagram influencers. Now, a lot of people are gonna say that Instagram influencers don't work, or Instagram influencers, I'm doing all these shout outs, but I'm not getting any sales. The thing is, you're doing it wrong. You're just doing a shout out and exchanging for a post, okay? That's not really an influence. To me, an influence is, you send out a product to them, just like I said on the YouTube influencers. You send a product to them, in exchange they, make a video, or they do a skit, or they post a picture. And the cool thing is that you can post that exact picture on your own page. So then now you've gained social proof. You've already gained a long-term relationship because you know that you can work with that influencer over and over again. And the cool thing is that they're gonna keep posting on their story or on their feed because maybe they want more products. And most of the time, products only cost about $2. So, I'd rather send out a product than, spend $100 to an influencer that might not even work. So that's how you can get free traffic through Instagram influencers. Now, the last tip that I have is through SEO. With my experience with SEO, it takes a lot of hard work and it takes a lot of grind in the beginning. But the cool thing is that once you set everything up, it goes and accumulates over time. So let's say Zero UV, for example, they're a sunglasses company. They started writing articles and blogs within their niche. So they did fashion, they did travel, they did beach, they did models, they did so many different things that had to do with sunglasses, and they've accumulated over time. And if you go on SimilarWeb, direct search and Google search is actually one of their top traffic sources. They get organic sales every single day. If you start from the bottom, if you want free traffic, SEO is a great way to start, especially if you want to build a long-term business. And a year from now, or maybe 2 months from now, or 5 months from now, you can get organic sales every single day. And then you can use all that data to start doing Facebook ads, or while you're doing Facebook ads, you can get free traffic through SEO. You can still make money with free traffic, and these 5 free traffic methods will definitely help you guys. And it's definitely the top 5 traffic methods that I would use if I wanted to do free traffic. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more videos, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like this video, and also I can do a video about paid traffic, so make sure you comment down below if you want me to do that. Top 5 ways to get paid traffic to your Shopify store. So it's definitely going to be a banger. So again, make sure you subscribe, grab your winning product down below, and at the end of the day, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.